how to fix your Google Nest Cam being offline. So here's a few options you can do if this is happening and you're not really sure why. So first of all, you can go ahead and check your Wi-Fi first. So you can go ahead to any kind of device you have and test and see if your internet works on your phone or another device. So you could open up any kind of platform like YouTube or Instagram, something like that, to see if you have internet connection for the same Wi-Fi that your camera is connected to. And if the Wi-Fi is down, the camera will of course show offline as well. And whatever device you're using to try to look at the camera also has connection. The next thing you can check is the camera power. If it is wired, make sure it's plugged in properly, and if it is powered by a battery, charge it because low battery can make it disconnect, of course. Another thing you can do is to move it closer to the router if you really don't have any other option. So let's say you have a router, you could either bring it closer to the router or the other way around, but that's probably unlikely. But try putting it closer, since a weak signal or some camera being too far away from the router can make the Nest Cam go offline, something similar to that. You can also restart both the camera and the router. Unplug the camera for about 10 seconds and then plug it back in, or do something similar to that. Then restart the router as well to refresh the connection. And finally, you can try restarting, updating, or re-adding the camera itself. So go ahead to your Nest or Home app, remove your camera, and just add it again to however method you added it in the first place. So you could use the QR code option, you could search for it as well, but that's pretty much it. You could try these options, since if it stays offline, you can try removing and adding the camera again. But only factory reset as an option. If you do have that option, try factory resetting the camera as well. But hopefully some of these options can help, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.